Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss worksheet number 85 for class 9th for the date 18 February 2021 for subject English. Students, this worksheet is based on integrated writing practice. We have already done a lot of writing practice of writing a descriptive paragraph and writing a story. So this time we are not going to provide you with the answers straightforward. I'm just going to quickly explain you the worksheet, and I want you people to attempt it on your own so that you will be able to do it better in your upcoming exams. The first question is based on descriptive writing, which is having a visual stimulus. Here a picture has been given to you, and you need to look at the picture first and then describe the scene. Now if you see here, it is a picture of a water tanker which has come, and there are people who have gathered around it to collect water in their containers, and it is a crowd of people with even with little children with their mothers for collecting water from this water tanker. And looking at the picture, we can speak about shortage of water also. We can also speak about the scarcity of water in poor areas, or in non-urban cities, or non-urban like villages and all, where people need to walk. Even now, at this time also, when the world has modernized, the people are still walking a lot of kilometers, covering up a lot of kilometers to collect a bucket of water for their personal use. So you can include all these value points in your answer, and you can also talk about the scarcity of water, that the underground water is decreasing, and that is why the water, which is a very essential commodity, and it is essential for the living of every living thing, it is declining. The ratio of the underground water is declining, and that is why the people are facing a lot of problem, and so they need to collect water from such water tankers. And then in the second question, again you have been given an image about of animals, and you need to write a story. It is a group of animals that have been collected, and there is a picture of a boy carrying a chit which says, it's illegible. I'm not able to read it, but whatever, you can frame a story on this basis. Now it depends on you how you are going to frame the story, whether this child is trying to teach the animals, or the animals are trying to listen to this boy. What is it that the boy is telling them, or it is a kind of an invitation that he is giving, because he is carrying a balloon also with him. So maybe it is a jungle party theme that is there. It may be, you may also interpret it that there is a birthday party with the jungle party theme. So it depends on your imagination how you are going to write this story, and you are going to frame the story. But before you start with the story, you need to give a very interesting title to the story. Give an interesting title, include a few characters, not many characters, but it should have few characters so that story becomes interesting for the reader. And at the end, do not forget to give the moral to the story, which is very, very important. Giving a moral to the story makes the story more authentic, it makes it more interesting, and it makes the reader feel to read the story more. It attracts the reader. Giving a title and a moral is must for story writing. So students, I want you all to attempt both these questions and send your worksheets across to us as soon as possible. Okay, so have a good day, all of you. There is a COVID message also at the end, that you need to wash your hands with soap and water regularly and have to maintain social distancing. Okay, bye bye, take care.